He-san, good afternoon. Come in. What are you up to these days? Anything interesting?
Hey, Aya-san, I have a special idea. I'm going to be a bird hunter.
Huh? Bird hunter? No. You told me you were going to be a
Mermaid hunter and unicorn hunter and Pegasus hunter.
Were all of them successful? Have you ever seen one? No. I get tired of your stupid ideas. Go back to your home.
Wait,
Oya-san, just one more. Oya-san, Japanese proverb says, failure teaches success. So this is a special one, my trump card. Please listen, please. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Oya-san.
First, I will go to the place where I can find many snow herons. When I see one, I will call out to him in a loud voice, like this. Hello, Mr. Heron! Then, the heron will think, someone is calling me. I wonder what he wants. I understand. He wants to catch me. What should I do? No problem. I can get away easily at any time. But I want to have some fun, that silly man. So I pretend not to notice him and let him get closer to me. And just before he catches me, I'll escape. This is going to be fun. Then I will get closer to the hero and I will call out to him in smaller voice. Hero! Mr. Heron! Then the heron will think, still no problem. The man's voice is very far away. Then I will get closer to the heron and I will call out to him even softer voice than before. Hello, Mr. Heron. Then the heron will think, that's strange. If he wants to catch me, why he is getting far away? I cannot understand. Well-san, do you understand? Actually, I am getting closer to the heron, but I will make my voice softer and softer so that the heron will think I am going away. Interesting. Very interesting. So, what next?
Hey, thank you, Oya-san.
Finally, I will sneak up just behind the heron and will say to him, what? What will you say? I can't hear anything. That's right. That is the idea. I will make my voice softer and softer until I will make no sounds at all. Then the heron will think, the man is go away. No fun today, I guess. But anyway,
Takuya-san, what do you think of my wonderful idea? Okay, impressive, very impressive. I'd like to see you try it. Hey, thank you, son. So, by the way, can you suggest a good place to find many snow herons? Many snow herons. Oh, Endoji Temple. I've heard that there are many snow herons at the pond at night time. Why don't you go there? Ah, Endoji Temple. Thank you, son. I will go tonight. Ki-san went to the Endoji Temple at that night. Oh. This is Endoji Temple. But the temple gate is closed for the night. And the wall is too high for me to climb over. I should find some way to inside. Oh, what is that one? Leaning against the wall. Ladder. Okay, ladder. It must be left by a gardener. Okay, I will use this. Okay. And Ki-san stepped on the gravestone down to the ground. Oh, there are so many snow herons. Okay. They are all sleeping. Each one is sleeping on one leg and standing and sleep soundly. Okay. I will take them. Hello! Wait. I know. Snow herons are very cautious birds. They are taking turns as a watchman. So today's watchman is... Yes, maybe that one on the stone. I will check. He is so irresponsible. He is sleeping on his job. So I don't have to use my wonderful idea, and I won't call out them at all. I just go and catch him. How easy. Oh, it's still asleep. Oh, how can I carry it on? I should have brought a bag or something. Okay, anyway, I just put his head through the sash of my kimono. Okay, well, it's handy. I will catch a bunch of them. My next victim is... Oh, this is bigger than before. Okay. It's beautiful. I catch more than I expected. Look, my body is ringed with many snow herons held in my sash. Okay, now I will go home. His son stepped on the gravestone again, up to the wall. Huh? Where is my ladder? It's missing. It has gone. Temple guard. Temple guard must have taken it away. What am I going to do? Kisan started pacing back and forth, wondering how to get down. The sun had slowly coming up over the Mount Echo. The sunlight made one of the birds wake up. What a terrible sore throat! I cannot breathe. I must be catching a bad cold. Because I drank too much sake last night. I'm a little tipsy now. But why I cannot move? And someone is leaning on me. Who is that? Oh, my dear Sagiko, I love you. The guy on my next door. Go away. But anyway, why I cannot move? Something strange. Whoa. Well, hey. We are in a very big trouble. We had been caught by a hunter. Oh, wake up. Hey, Saginosuke. Hey, Sagiko, wake up. Good morning, darling. No, not good morning. It's bad morning. Look, we had been caught by a hunter. So, wake them up and pass the word, okay? Okay. Hey, wake up. 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 Woo! Hey, everybody. Did you wake up? We are in big trouble. We had been caught by a hunter. But don't worry. I have a good plan. So, do what I say. At the count of 3, flap your wings as hard as you can, okay? We are going to fly this one up into the sky. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Flapping. What is happening? I'm taking off. Houses, trees, rivers, so down your way. Help! I'm going too high. Help! Oh, what is that? Coming toward me. Jet, so fast. Wow! Help me! What is that? Coming toward me. Help! Oh, it's a bird. It's a big bird. It's a hawk. He's going to attack me. No. Go away. No. Help! No! He's taking some of my herons. That is mine. Give me back. Oh, help! I'm losing my balance. Help me! Oh, what is that coming toward me? Oh, help me! Oh, it's a kind of pole. Yeah, I think I should grab it. Okay, 1, I had a very hard time because of these stupid birds. Okay, get rid of the bird. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Oh. Whew. But where am I now? Oh, today's sunlight is very beautiful. Oh, I know that mountain. Yeah, that is Mount Ikoma. Oh, that means I'm still in Japan. How lucky I am. And around Osaka. Wow. Oh, there is a stone tree. Mount Ikoma and stone tree. That means, yeah, this is Tennoji Temple. How lucky I am. It's my neighborhood. I always enjoy watching the 5-story pagoda. Oh, so where is the 5-story pagoda? Oh, there. Yeah, that is Kamenoike Pond. And main hall. Golden Pavilion. And so I am top of the 5-story pagoda. Oh, I'm in trouble after all. How can I get down? In the meantime, the streets of Osaka are getting crowded with the people going to work. One of them spotted something on the top of 5-story pagoda. Hey, what is that? Where? There, on the top of 5-story pagoda. Ah, that is a bird. No, that is bigger than a bird. So, what is that? It's a man? No, it's impossible. No one can climb there. So, what do you think? I don't know. But it's bigger than a bird. And it's moving. It's strange. Something must be happening at the Tennoji Temple. Hey, everybody, let's go and take a closer look. Something happening, Tennoji Temple. Something happening, Tennoji Temple. Let's go to the Tennoji Temple. Something happening, Tennoji Temple. Let's go to the Tennoji Temple. Hey, come on! So, the Tennoji Temple was crowded with people, all looking up and shouting. Hey, there is a man on the top of the pagoda. Yeah, I think he is a Superman. No. I think he is a Spider-Man. Oh, wait. He is a man. And I think I know him. He is Ki-san. Huh? Ki-san? Yeah. That is Ki-san. But what is he doing up there? I don't know, but he must be in trouble. Yeah, he must be in trouble. Let's help him. Yes, let's help him. But we don't have a long ladder long enough, right? So what should we do? Let's help him. Wait. Okay. Just find a big cloth blanket to catch him with. Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, let's find a blanket or something. Hurry up. There are so many people down below. Is it a kind of festival? I don't know. And they are all looking up. I understand. Maybe there must be something up there about me. No, nothing. So, it's me? They are looking at me? Whoa, a big clothes. What is that for? I don't care. But they are shouting something. I cannot hear. Louder, please! Huh? Jump! Jump! Jump from here? They are telling me jump from here? No, no. Oh, I understand. They are going to catch me with that clothes. Okay. I will jump. Yes, I'm ready to jump. No, I'm scary. I cannot. But I know this is the only way to get out of from here. Okay, I try. 1, 2, 3, jump! So, he jumped down below. The 4 men held the clothes, waiting for him to land. Fortunately, Ki-san hit at the center of the cloth. But, unfortunately, the 4 men held the clothes too tightly. So, he bounced up and high into the air and landed on the exactly same place on the 5-story pagoda.